Hi all, welcome back to a new video of Horilla. So in this video, let's discuss about the to validate, overtime and validated attendances. So under the attendance module, we have the attendances. We can go to the attendances. Here we can see that the attendances are divided into three sections. That is the attendance to validate, the overtime attendance and validated attendances. So in the attendance to validate, we can see all the attendance requests that needs to be validated. So these are different attendance requests created for different employees. So here we can view the details such as the employee's name, the date, the day, the check-in time, the in date, the checkout time, the checkout date. Here then we can view the shift and work type details of the employee, the minimum hour, at work, pending hour, overtime, and actions can be performed. Such as if you want to edit it, we can perform edit to the attendance request that we have made. And if we want to remove the attendance request from here, we can click on the. And to validate the attendance, we can just click on the validate attendance over here. So by clicking on the validate attendance, we'll be able to see a message the attendance has been validated. So it is this simple to validate an attendance from here. And then we have the overtime attendances. So for different validated attendances, there may be overtime that needs to be approved by the admin. So to approve, so here we will be able to view all the overtime attendances, and we can also view it with multiple details like their date in which it was created and the date. And then we have the check-in time, the in date, the checkout date, out date, shift, work type, minimum hour, at work, pending hour, etc. And to approve the overtime attendance, we can click on this approve overtime over here, and the overtime will be approved. And then we have the validated attendances, where we'll be able to view all the attendances that are validated. So when an attendance request has been validated, we will be able to view the validated attendances in this section. So here we can view the validate attendance, and we'll be able to view it with the multiple details like we have seen there, like the date, day, check-in, in date, checkout date, etc. So these are the three sections in the attendances. So hope it is clear, and thank you for watching.